हाय, वेलकम टू श्वेता's vlogs। तो सुबह सुबह जब उठ के आप बाहर आते हो एंड यू सी दिस व्यू, सो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। एक्चुअली दिस इज द व्यू इन फ्रंट ऑफ आवर स्टे। तो हल्की हल्की बारिश भी हो रही है एंड यू कैन सी द मिस्ट इज कवर्ड एंड इट इज सो सूदिंग एंड चिलिंग ऑल्सो। तो बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है जब ऐसा वाला व्यू देखने को मिले, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वी डोंट गेट दिस व्यू इन बैंगलोर। तो बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है एंड आई यूजुअली फील लाइक जैसे कि वो मिस देख रहे हो, आई जस्ट वांट टू गो एंड टच दैट एंड कम बैक। तो ऐसा लगता रहता है मुझे, बट ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, बट सीइंग इट इज़ सो सूदिंग एंड बारिश हो रही थी बट नाउ इट इज़ ऑल सनी एंड दैट इज़ द मैजिक, यू नो, लाइक पूरा रात थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का बारिश था और कोल्ड था, मिस्ट था। अभी इट इज़ सनी एंड यू कैन सी हाउ सन इज लाइटन अप एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी dried up, road सब dry हो चुका है and now we are ready and we are going to a destination. Before that we'll have our breakfast, then we'll go from here, क्योंकि अभी हम एक स्पॉट जा रहे हैं जो which is very beautiful they say. So right now we are in hotel and having our breakfast and there are lot of places here in and around. Localites को पता होता है, हमें इतना ज़्यादा पता नहीं होता. So with reference we are going to a place which is recommended by localites as many movies has been shot here it seems. So हम यहाँ पे आए हैं, so the pickup point is here. So यहाँ से हमारा पिकअप करने के लिए लोग आ रहे हैं, I mean vehicle आ रहा है. So until it is coming we are just chilling out and I'm very excited to see कि वो place क्या है, कैसा है. So this is our vehicle. Actually यहाँ पे बहुत सारा rough and raw road होते हैं, तो if you want to see some hill or any spot then usually they recommend to go in jeeps. So अभी हमारे जो ड्राइवर जी है जो आए हैं पिकअप करने के लिए, so he has given us the info that we are going to see a hilltop which is called Kyathanmakki Hill, which is very famous here in and around, क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत सारे फिल्म शूटिंग्स हो चुके हैं. But he said this jeep is also not fit to go there because road बहुत ही rough है. So we are going to a place where we'll actually change the jeep. So we are in the place, so this is where we are exchanging the jeep. So आप देख सकते हो बारिश हो रही है ज़ोर से, but still we wanted to go and see the place, क्योंकि एक बार कैंसिल हो जाता है ना तो ऑब्वियसली मैनी टाइम्स वी डोंट गो. सो देयर इज़ अ शॉप इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, सो यहाँ से हमने ये जीप हायर की है एंड दे हैव ए इंस्टाग्राम पेज कॉल्ड क्याथनमक्की हिल्स. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे आएंगे लोकली होरनाडु में एंड आस्क फॉर क्याथनमक्की, सो दिस शॉप विल हेल्प यू टू गो. दे विल प्रोवाइड लोकल राइडर्स जो आपको उस प्लेस तक ले जा सकते हैं. So they'll charge, I don't know how much, but maybe 2.5, 3, 4. It depends on how many people and like when you have gone. So this is like you have to take local people's help and go, because you can't drive by yourself, क्योंकि बहुत ही rough road है and no matter how expert you are you can't go in your own vehicle, you have to go in jeep because वो बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत ही tough road है. So this is the check point जहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं अंदर. So यहाँ से होते हुए ही आपको जाना पड़ेगा, because they are localites we don't have any problem, but if you are a newbie then they will stop you, check your all papers, that this and everything will be done. So आप देख सकते हो how the road is. So welcome to Malnad and this is how the roads are in our area, I mean our place, like raw roads.
ಹಂಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಆಚೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ
ಸದ್ಯ ನನಗೆ ಕೂತಿರೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ.
ಬಂತು ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
तो अभी अभी हस्बैंड पूछ रहे थे कि इतना छोटा सा रोड है, नैरो सा, तो यहाँ पे अगर कोई व्हीकल आ जाता है तो आप कैसे टैकल करते हो, ड्राइव करते हो. वो ड्राइवर से पूछ रहे थे. सडनली द जीप केम एंड ही शोड अस लाइव हाउ ही दे विल डू इट. ही टुक अ बिट रिवर्स एंड देन he gave space to that jeep to move, and they have their own understandings, so they will help each other to solve the problem. But ये इतना कड़क रोड है, इतना ज़्यादा यहाँ पे रोड खराब है कि even the jeep we are sitting are like trembling like anything, and we have hold on to the things like a rod. कुछ भी मिल रहा है हम उसे पकड़ के actually बैठे हुए हैं. And it is really tough. You should be very much ready to get hit anywhere in your body when it is just throwing you up and down.
You're playing cool, just tell me what you're gonna do, boy. Take my hands, draw me close, that's when you'll hear me breathing in the most. I see the trembling, baby, come and take a dose. I might change my mind, you better hurry up. You tried to hide it, and you've gotten curious, so let your feelings out, stop playing dumb. 'Cause you know I am the fire, I got a feeling, oh. Don't you wanna come a little closer? Feel it, feel it, feel it. Be me, be me. Those lips in your eyes, I'll trade it with mine, it's now one
ಇದನ್ನ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಪಿಲ್ಲೋ ಜಲ್ದಿ
ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಅವರು.
ಯಾವುದಿದು?
ಕ್ಯಾತನಮಕ್ಕಿ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಗ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇನ್ಸಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದೊಂದು ರೋಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೇಮ್ ರೋಡ್.
ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ?
ಕಳಸ ಹತ್ರ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ,
ಯಾವುದು?
ಸುರ್ಮನೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಬೀಳಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡು.
ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು, ಕಳಸದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು ಅದು.
ಕಳ್ಸ ಬೀಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಳ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ತಾತಂದೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು ಇವನೇ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು ಹಂಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಂದು ನೀನು ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರ, ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದು ನೀನು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಬೀಳೋದು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
So finally we are up above. इस place का नाम है गाली गुंडी, which means in Kannada we say Gaali Gundi. Gaali means wind, Gundi means what do you call, hole or deep or depth. So it is somewhat like wind deep, we can say. So this is the place most of the movies have been shoot here, it seems. And before they used to leave the vehicle to go inside, but as many travelers have come here and they are like, no, they will take all the jeep and do drags or take the jeep inside or vehicle inside and वहाँ पे सब spoil कर देते हैं, ड्रिंक्स करते हैं, कैंस बॉटल्स वहीं पे थ्रो करते हैं. सो नाउ दे हैव स्ट्रिक्टली फॉरबिडन व्हीकल्स टू एंटर दिस प्लेस. सो दे हैव पुट अ गेट एंड यू हैव टू cross the gate and walk actually. So from the gate you have to walk up the hill to see the viewpoint. So almost I don't know how many kilometers, I feel it is 2 kilometers. So utne tak hame actually climb karna padta hai. So this is a mesmerizing view, as you can see. As you climb little by little, you can actually come across so many mountains hidden, and that is the jeep we had come, and we are so far now. ये कच्चा road है, and it is like with lot of small pebbles and all that. So proper footwear पहन के, if you are like want to walk properly for a long time. अभी थोड़ा बारिश हुआ था तो it is bit not too slippery, but if it is dry then it will be a bit slippery also. As you can see, my son are enjoying and taking all the adventure, everything of this place. But my husband and my daughter is already climbed almost upon the hill, and my father-in-law came a bit but he couldn't come further, so he just went back. So we are just trying to climb slowly, because अगर आप थोड़े heavy है, overweight है, so it is very difficult on higher altitude, क्योंकि altitude से आपको ऑक्सीजन ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा, तो you will be like feeling a bit breath hold होने की एहसास होता है, and you will start breathing more. So take your own time, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. I usually do that and I try to walk slowly. And problem ये है कि apart from this time we never do any trekking और वो practice सब चला जाता है, तो it is bit difficult. And kids and all, they are like very active, so they will jump upon and go. But climbing such a raw road is also difficult, and I just take my own space and time to climb, because I need more breathe and more relaxing time. But still, it's slowly steadily we can climb the mountain. And if you feel tired, you can just sit there. There is no time restriction कि आपको इतने ही time में वापस आना है. It's only because we are like expecting rain. So this is the marks done by older vehicles. So as you can see, it looks like the earth has cracked up. So ये एक और destination पे जाता है, another viewpoint. So this is where the vehicles have gone too many times and created a crater. So this is how it looks, and this is how it is. And if you see and observe, so that is the place where we started. So after we came, one more family is coming up, so that far we have come now, and almost we reached the top. So this is the top viewpoint का जो top है वो है, it is very flat and they have put nice chairs to sit and enjoy. जैसे कि ये weekdays था और there was rain, no one was there. But if you come on a weekday or in holidays, or जब भी there will be some peak prime time, that time there will be too much crowd. Today it is like whole place is for us, no one is there. आप जहाँ भी देखो, जहाँ भी देखना चाहो, this is how I feel that hill station should be. But आजकल इतना ज़्यादा famous हो चुका है सभी places, tourist places, कि लोग ढूंढते ढूंढते बहुत सारे आ जाते हैं एक साथ में. So this was, luckily we did not had any crowd, so we were like we felt like अभी अर्थ हमने एंटर की है और हम ही 4 लोग हैं इस दुनिया में. So that is the another viewpoint which I was telling that time. I showed you that one more curved road will go to that point, but if you want to go there you can go till the end point of that, but as we were like thinking the rain might start any time, so we didn't wanted to go there, but we could see from here only. So सभी mountains आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो, and you should be very careful if you are with kids or yourself. Don't go to the edge, too near to the edge, because इतना ज़्यादा हवा चलता है यहाँ पे. You never know how it will push you off, and if you fall off then you'll go to the deep खड्डे में ही जाके गिरोगे, as I'm showing you how it is. If you roll off from here, so directly you will end up going somewhere in these places which is not accessible. I don't know कैसा कहाँ पे जाएंगे, but it is always safe to stay safe. पिक्चर के चक्कर में या कुछ रील्स के चक्कर में लोग अक्सर ये करते हैं, and yeah, you can stay safe and enjoy the place. So these are the edges which we have told not to go too nearby. So kids are like, they are cautious and they are not going too near. So this is how it looks. So beach mein, if we zoom and see, there are houses and places in between, as you can see. So there is a house, big estate house there. So I really liked, and थोड़ी बहुत धूप पड़ रहा है, so it is like extra light they have put on us to click nice pictures. So this is how we are feeling. And you can see how beautiful it is. बहुत सारे कन्नड़ा मूवीज यहाँ पे शूट हो चुके हैं, they are telling.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೋಂಬೇರಿಗಳು, ಎದೊಳಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಡ್ದಂತೆ ಕೇಳ, ಸೂಪರಾಗಿ ಡಿಪಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಕಿವಿನೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಯಾ if you are going in rainy season, you carry your rain boots या raincoat या umbrella. We forgot, and we had this koppa, which is like they'll give for 25 rupees in the shop if you ask. So this you can buy and keep, so that if you get stuck in the rain, you can use this. But we didn't got the chance to use this as the rain stopped, and we didn't had the chance to use it. But we on safer side had carried this. hills up. But luckily there was one more family, so we got a chance to get a clear picture of our family with this beautiful background of the hills. तो उन्होंने हमारा पिक्चर खींचा और हमने उनका. तो this was a very beautiful family pic ever, because as you can see the entire mountain is visible from the background. So actually it was really wonderful. And yeah, kids also liked this place very much, and it was like very beautiful to take them to such wonderful place which they never get the chance to see. So I think once in a while we should get connected with the nature, and very nice pictures were clicked here, and we all clicked so many pictures. And finally it was a very beautiful day. So I'll share the place maps of the place and number of the person whom you can contact locally, and they'll tell you where to get connected and what all packages they can give you. And it is a must visit place, and it was really nice. Thanks for watching, guys.